Good afternoon, vlog. Guess what? It's Monday. That means today is August 12th. Monday. Vlogust. Day 12. I didn't even think I'd make it to day 4, let alone day 12. So, you know, I'm going to go right ahead and pat myself on the back on this one, you guys, because this is a lot harder than I expected. So I wanted to start the vlog off. It is Monday. I did have to get up. I worked this morning. Last night was a better night, I guess. I was really concerned for the fact that I walked like 5.2, 5.3 miles last night. So I was really worried that that was going to cause an issue with my health or cause a dystonia storm with my foot and my shoulder or something. But there's that pump beeping. But honestly, it didn't at all. And I'm really happy because I was just going to give up and just be like, nope. Not going to walk, not going to do anything. And I was too worried if it was going to cause something. And I was like, you know what? No. No, no, no. I don't let my diabetes run my life. And I'm sure as HE double hockey sticks, not going to let this new disorder run my life. I run my life. So me, myself, and I. So I figured if it was going to make me cramp up and have worse issues, I was going to find out the hard way and just go for it. So that is what we did last night. And then, like I said, I'm really happy to say it didn't. It didn't last night anyway. So I guess that's something. So like I said, I did work all morning and Avery got up really early. He went fishing again this morning. I am wearing, let's see if I can even hold this out. I am wearing my new shirt, the Stay Golden Girl shirt. Woo! Yes, I love it. I love it. I hate pink, but I don't even care. I hate pink, and I had pink on last night. I hate pink, and I bought this shirt. But I bought this shirt because it's got the Golden Girls on it. Everybody needs a shirt with the Golden Girls on it. Yeah, for sure. That was one of my favorite shows. I watched it with my grandma every single day. And even after my grandma passed away when I was really young, I still continued to watch it. And as an adult, I still continue to watch it because I love me some Golden Girls. So I'm not really sure what's going to be happening throughout the rest of this wonderful Monday. But I did want to start this vlog off so that I actually had something. So I will catch up with you guys in a little while and let you know what we're up to. Okay, so we're leaving my aunt's house and we got some goodies. I got a big bag full of fresh green beans and some tomatoes from the garden and a bunch of corn on the cob. So yum yum. I can't wait. We could probably make that on the grill. Dad can make green beans in the wok. Yummy. Don't hit my tomatoes though, please, because I would like to make BLTs. You look gorgeous today, darling, just so you know.
Thank you. I brushed my hair.
Thank you. You brushed your hair. Why are we always end up back at the Dollar Tree? Always.
But my hands are getting cold from this Coke.
Look how cute these are, though. So we needed to pick up, what are we picking up? Batteries, because you want them for your candle thing.
Yes.
And I don't remember what else.
If you guys, it's not a real candle.
Oh. Yeah, obviously real candles don't use batteries. Yeah. This is one of the only reasons this girl ever wants to get French fries. It's to come to the parking lot and throw them all out.
Don't! I don't want them going in the car.
They're not going to come in the car.
Oh God, you're so close to everyone. Do you guys want more? There. You'll get some. There. Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty that one is. Oh my God. She's got like little marks all over her head. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
They're fighting over your French fries.
Ready? Go get them!
Okay, Jazz.
That's enough now. Oh, that is awesome!
Every single time, I swear. We come here. Move your head. I really like this one. Look at how unique her little spots are on her.
It's like, oh my god. She is kind of chubby though.
She's really cute.
Oh my god, look at that one. Like,
so, yeah, we are in front of Kmart again. You felt bad you had to give that one. Oh, she stole it.
Man, there's so many birds.
So this is something, if you guys didn't see in one of our older vlogs, Jasmine honestly always loves to get McDonald's French fries. And no, she does not eat them all because we usually come here and she just sits and feeds the seagulls because she loves them.
Here. Oh my god. What the heck? You must be hungry.
I said thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, you guys.
And she just sits and feeds the seagulls all the time, and they'll usually fly like right up to you.
Oh my god.
He's still got it.
Oh god. He's still
Here. I got a medium fry because I was actually hungry. So I will feed this guy out here in the front.
Oh god.
You got it.
Do you see that? Look at that many cars.
My pump is not currently attached and it's at 113. So I'll probably reattach it pretty soon. You guys can see I only have 17 units left in there, so I'll have to do another site change soon. And Miss Thing needs to hurry up and finish feeding her seagull friends.
Bye-bye. You get what? You didn't see that. There.
Alright, bye seagulls.
Look at that pretty one.
I know, she's really pretty, dude. I don't know
I'd love to have her on
why
my
she's like colored like that. Even her legs are like gray instead of like the yellow color like his. She's a pretty seagull. I've never seen one like her. I don't know why. Okay, so now that you fed the seagulls, are we going to run into Kmart? Because I have $7 of Kmart cash that expires today, so we need to go spend $7.
That's going to be impossible.
All right, pick up the garbage.
That was awesome.
Are you happy now? Tell your bird friends goodbye. We've got things to do.
Bye-bye.
Bye, birdies.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, God. Look at you. Hey. Now they're going to be following our car, probably.
So, Jazz just got done feeding her seagull buddies. And we just pulled up from the end of the parking lot, and the seagulls followed us up over here. So, they're back over at the end of the parking lot now, looking for more French fries. And Jasmine and I are gonna run into Kmart because there's nothing else to do. How much is it? It's a blue light special. It's $7.99. I don't think you'll wear that though. I don't think you'd wear that.
I would.
I don't know. Don't you have to go to the bathroom? I will hold on to it. We'll see. Okay, so we hit clearance jackpot again. We got t-shirts.
I'm getting way too big for this.
Not too sweet. That means you're sour. This one says lucky.
I know, because I love sour.
And this one says laugh out loud. And then she also found like 3 pairs of jeans that are all clearanced as well. Jeans. That means you actually have to wear jeans though. We're just wandering aimlessly now, aren't we?
Oh, you got that.
Okay, so we just got home. Why did that not turn the light on? We did remember to get our batteries so we can do this little light of hers. You unscrew the top. You drop 2 little batteries, 2 AA's in there, and then all you do is screw this back on. And you have a little flickering candle. I literally have said this 20 times, but I am the clearance queen. Like, yes. If it is cheap or if it is on sale and I can get it for less, honey, even better, right? I have to show you guys the amount of clothes that I got for Jasmine for back to school stuff. So school supply, school shopping. So these pants were originally $16.99, you guys, and I paid $6.79 for these jeans. Not $16.99, $6.79. So these are a Route 66 brand jean, and they have just like the little rolled up ends and this really cool little line down the side, I guess. I don't know. And then the other pair that I got for her have the cute little flowers, floral motif going on. And they also are just cut off at the end, but you can roll them up like the other jeans. These were $16.99. Also, I got them for $6.79. Here's what these look like. So that was the last pair of jeans anyway. These shirts were marked down to $4.19. So originally these shirts were all $6.99. Focus, camera. These were $6.99. I got them for $4.19. So here's this one. Just a cute, thin, lightweight, Basic Editions is the brand. And it says not too sweet with the lemon on there. And check this out. It's scented. And it legit smells like a lemon. Yeah, it smells like a lemon. But I just thought this one was super cute with the dark kind of navy and then the yellow. And this one just says laugh out loud. And the last t-shirt we got was this one that just says lucky. But it's so cute. So you guys, for 4 shirts and for 3 pairs of jeans, I paid $31.88. I'm sorry, but for all of this, for $32, to me is a freaking steal. So many unbearably long hours later, this cute girl and I are going for a walk. So we're out and about.
It actually stings that I even put water on it.
She's got a sore on her lip. And again, we decided since it was nice out that we were gonna go on a walk around town. And that is what we're currently doing, right? Probably gonna go to Grandma's. You think you're gonna stay overnight there tonight?
Yeah. If I can climb the rocks to you. I don't know why I think it. But like how...
Main Street. Okay, my feet. I shouldn't say feet, my foot. Just this one. Wants to give me some trouble, so we just stopped at my mom's. Jazz didn't wear appropriate walking shoes, so we only went 2.5 miles because I didn't want her feet to get sore wearing Crocs. And what are you doing?
Scraping.
And she's currently scraping a rock on some cement because you know what? Why not?
And it makes the rock warm then. Now feel this.
There goes Grandma taking out some corn on the cob. Judy, my aunt, gave her some too. Fresh corn on the cob, darling.
It's warm, right?
I'm warm. Dude, I'm warm. Sweating up a storm. I'm all wet and sweaty. Ugh.
Wait, we went 2 miles?
We went 2.5 miles, child.
Awesome job, baby.
I just don't want you to go any farther in those shoes because those are not good for your feet. So, you know what? Rob's fishing. Avery is at his friend's house. We just got to my mom's. And I still have to walk home. So, Jazz, come tell everyone goodbye.
Bye. I'm going to do that.
That was so enthusiastic. Alright, vlog. That's it for Vlogust Day 12. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye.